Canon users, this flash is an absolute unit. Godox V1Pro-C review. AKR1 kit tested. Let's be real. If you shoot on Canon and you're still using a crusty, old-school flash, you're basically working with the tech equivalent of a potato. Missed shots. Harsh light. Slow recycle times that leave you praying your subject doesn't blink. You're fighting your gear instead of creating with it. Your vision's crisp, but your lighting? Blown out, flat, and flaky at best. And don't even start on overheating during long shoots. When the pressure's on and your flash gives out mid-wedding or portrait session, it's game over, and your client doesn't care that your gear usually works. You need reliability that shows up every time. Now crank that pain to 11. You're juggling timelines, squinting at inconsistent exposures, and pretending your gear isn't failing you while sweat rolls down your back. Your creativity's there, but your flash is throttling it. You're wasting golden hour praying for your unit to cool down. Maybe you're popping AA batteries like candy and watching recycle times crawl into "are you serious" territory. Or worse, you're apologizing to clients for the tech you trusted to deliver pro results. The stress, the second guessing, the burnout, it all adds up to missed moments, awkward lighting, and silent regrets in the editing room. Enter the Godox V1Pro-C, and suddenly, it's like someone turned the lights on. This is not just a flash, it's a creative weapon with 76 watt-seconds of power, buttery-soft round-head diffusion, and high-speed sync up to 1/8,000th of a second. You get up to 100 full-power flashes in a row without the thing melting down. The built-in SU1 fill light? Game changer. Use it as a bounce flash and fill at once, or detach it for a lighter build when you're running and gunning. Pair it with the AKR1 accessory kit and you've basically got a mini Hollywood lighting studio in your pocket. It's Canon TTL compatible, 2.4 GHz wireless, and recycles in a freakishly fast 1.3 seconds. What else makes it shine? USB-C charging, 2,980 mAh battery life, and a build so durable you'll wonder why you ever put up with the drama of your last flash. The dome diffuser and magnetic accessories in the AKR1 kit snap on like butter, no tools, no stress. The 330 degrees swivel and -7 degrees to 120 degrees tilt mean you'll never miss that perfect bounce angle again. Everything about the V1Pro-C screams, let's go, and if you're a wedding shooter, portrait artist, or event pro, this is the upgrade you've been dreaming of. Want to see it in action? Hit play, we'll walk you through every glorious feature. But don't just watch. Do. These units are flying, and when word spreads about that SU1 fill light and thermal resilience, stock won't last. Thousands of Canon shooters are already making the switch. Why? Because they're done missing moments, done with overheating, and done apologizing for bad lighting. The Godox V1Pro-C delivers performance, flexibility, and reliability. All in one compact, absolute unit of a flash. Buy now while it's hot, or blink and it'll be gone. Your next best photo starts with a single decision. Upgrade your flash game, or stay stuck in the dark. Your move, creator.